My dream was to be an astronaut. There was this satellite communication, which was a bit of a link between my dream and what the communication system was proposing. Today I'm not working with satellite, but I'm working in computer networks, which is also very related to what we learn in communication systems at EPFL. My name is Mathilde Durvy. I'm a communication system engineer. I obtained my master from EPFL in 2002 and my PhD in 2007. Now I'm working for Cisco, who is one of the leaders in computer networks. Cisco has a strong links with EPFL. The people that are working at EPFL work on some of the key Cisco products.
Could you give me an example of a technology that would fit well with these 3 points?
Yeah, we have been looking, for example, at
Cisco is one of the global leaders in computer networks, basically. So we work on typical routing equipment, switching equipment, but also on some new collaboration tools. We work on data centers and many other things, right? So it's a global company, a multinational company that is in many countries, including Switzerland.
So we are having the first Cisco Technology Radar Selection Panel.
There might be a few startups that are mentioned into the technology profile that describe the technologies, of course, right? But that's more or less it in that case. What we see on the screen there is what we call the technology radar. The technology radar is one of the key projects of our group. The goal of the technology radar is really to help us identify the technology that will have an impact on Cisco, either as a threat or as an opportunity. Everybody in Cisco can act as a scout and submit a technology for consideration by the radar. The technology is then reviewed and we decide whether it should be or not on the technology radar. When I arrived at EPFL, I was a bit scared about computers and especially about programmation, which was part of communication system. But I think I fairly rapidly, got into it, and now, of course, I'm working with computers every day, so it's really part of my life. I could not, work without a computer. The way I ended up at EPFL is maybe a little bit random. Like many people, I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. So I first heard about EPFL in Luxembourg at the end of my high school studies. I also liked the fact that I was able to travel during my studies, so do an exchange year in Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh. Then I did also my master thesis in the industry at Sprint Labs, so that was really great. Today, I don't think we could live without the communication engineers and without many communication engineers. Actually, you don't have enough communication engineers on the market. Communication is very central to our life today, right? We use the internet every day, we use our mobile phones every day, so it's really part of our life. There is really too much information around us, so it's really important also to treat this information and to bring the right information at the right time for the person using it.